Hi, friends. So we're in November, and the holiday that's in November is Thanksgiving. And when it's time for Thanksgiving, I think of turkey, which we've been talking about, and dressing, and pumpkin pie, and lots of fruits and vegetables. So a few weeks ago, I asked you guys the question, can we make apple juice from apples? And apples are a fruit. And we learned that we could make apple juice from apples. But, we don't just have fruits, we have fruits and we have vegetables. So today I have different colors of food. And I want us to decide if these are fruits or vegetables. And then I'm wondering, we know we can get juice from apples, which is a fruit. I'm wondering if we can get juice from other fruits. And if so, can we get juice from vegetables? And if we can, which makes the most juice, fruits or vegetables? So it's a lot to look at. So the first thing we need to decide are what are some fruits and what are some vegetables. So I have two things right here that are green. So I'm wondering, one is a fruit and one is a vegetable. This is a pear and this is a cucumber. Do you guys know which are which? Yeah, the pear kind of looks like the apple, doesn't it? It is a fruit, just like the apple. Okay, so I'm going to put my vegetables in one bowl and my fruits in another. So here, this will be my vegetable bowl. I'll put the cucumber there and I will put the fruit right over here. Now, I have two things that are orange. I have an orange, which is orange, and I have a carrot. Do you guys know which is a fruit and which is a vegetable? Yeah, the carrot is a vegetable. So I'm going to put it right here with the cucumber. Okay. And the orange is a fruit. So I'm going to put it over here with the pear. The pear and the orange. So now I have two things that are red. I've got a tomato and I've got an apple. An apple is definitely a fruit. Now there's some debate on the tomato, all right? A lot of people consider it a vegetable. It's not sweet like a fruit, and we use it in a lot of soups and things like that, like we would vegetables. Technically, some people call it a fruit. I'm going to put it over here, though, with the vegetables because I want to make sure we have everything that's the same color. So red apple, red tomato, red orange, red carrot. I'm sorry, orange, orange carrot. Green pear, green cucumber. Okay, now I'm going to prepare all these things to go through the juicer. Do you remember what I needed to do for the apple the last time? I needed to slice it with the slicer. I'm going to do the same thing for the pear. And what do you think I'm going to need to do for the orange? It's got a really orange, thick peeling on it. So I'm going to peel the orange and get that ready. The vegetables won't need as much, but I'm going to cut the tip off of the carrot. The cucumbers may be ready to go. No, it's a little too wide, so I'll have to cut it some. And then I'll cut the tomato. And then we'll start juicing and see which one makes the most juice. If our vegetables could even make juice, we'll have to see. I mean, I don't think about a carrot being all that juicy, do you? We'll check it out in just a minute. Okay, friends, I have all of my fruits and vegetables ready. I have my vegetables right here, all cut up and ready to go. I'm going to put my knife down. And I have my fruits right here, all cut up and ready to go. So I think I'm going to start with my orange foods. So I'm going to start with my carrot and my orange, and we'll see which one of these orange foods makes the most juice. Do you have any guesses? How many of you guys have had orange juice before? Oh yeah, orange juice is delicious. But did you know that it comes straight from an orange, just like our apple did? So let's put our carrot through first. And I'm going to get 2 cups right here, one for the carrot and one for the orange. And we can see along the way even which food makes the most juice. Again, do you have any guesses? I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, remember it's going to be loud. Here it goes. Oh my goodness, there goes the carrot. You guys see it coming through? Oh, look at that juice. Do you see the juice coming out right here? Carrot makes juice. Carrot made a lot of juice, actually. Let's look at that. Yum. That's a lot of juice from that carrot. Did you know that carrots have that much juice in them? That's pretty cool, right? All right, let's see how much the orange has. Now, I think I'm going to need to pull it apart. Thought it was small enough, but I don't think it is. I'm going to pull it apart. Let's see if it'll fit now. Yep, that'll fit. All right, here we go. Now let me time it so you guys can see. Whoa, a little bit of carrot juice came out, or carrot wort came out. I'm not going to put all that wort back in because I want it to be as fair as possible. Okay. Now let me hold up my orange juice and my carrot juice so you guys can see. The carrot, which is this one right here, actually made more juice than the orange. Very interesting. All right, I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to do the green. I'll do all the wort after we measure everything. Okay, I'll start doing the wort. But I'm going to try to make it as fair as possible. All right, so we're going to do the cucumber and the pear next. So here comes the cucumber. Oh, the cucumber's making a lot of juice. Look at that. Vegetables can make juice also. Oh, the cucumber's making a lot. Juicy cucumber. Whoa. All right, that was a ton of juice, friends. Wow. All right, look at all that juice. Oh my goodness. It almost filled up the whole cup. All right, let's look at the pear now. Any guesses? Do you think the cucumber's going to have more juice? or do you think the pear is? Let's see. Oh yeah, making some juice in here. Get it where you guys can see. Let's make it a lot. That made a lot of juice. Let me pull it up for you guys to see. All right, let me pour it in. That is pretty close. Okay, here's our cucumber, and here's our pear. Honestly, the cucumber has just a tiny bit more. So far, the carrot has more than the orange, and the cucumber has more than the pear. All right, I'm going to put these over here. Cucumber with the carrot, pear with the orange. Got two more. So we're going to do tomato, which I cut up already, and apple. Do you guys have any guesses? Which do you think might make more? So far, the vegetables have made more. Okay, here we go. Oh, I need to show you again, don't I? Put it down. Okay, so you can see lots of orb is coming out from both. I'll go back and all the orb later. The tomato is pretty juicy. Might need to cut this tomato again. Alright, here we go. Wow. That is a lot of juice on the tomato. I'll pull it up so you guys can see. Although I don't know that it was any more than the cucumber. Oh, Maddie, look, that is your favorite color. Pink juice. Okay, now we're going to try the apple. Let's see, I wonder if the tomato or the apple is going to have more. Put it where you guys can see. That was a lot of juice, but I don't know if it is as much as the tomato. So here we go. Oh, there's a lot of foam in there. Interesting. All right, look. Again, the